Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video and your daily update here on Dogecoin. We're going to do a full update here. Dogecoin looks quite bullish, we look quite strong here, so I wanted to talk about that a little bit. As you can see, we still are holding on the 1 hour time frame some sort of a bullish structure here, which I mean, if we're talking about structures here and formations, like this is a bullish formation. But in the end, what I always say before we get into the analysis here, like there's all sorts of formations you can think about, right? So you can have some sort of a formation like this. You can have this. In my eyes, there are no bullish or bearish formations, all right? Historically, some formations tend to be bullish and some tend to be bearish. We just need to be ready for the breakout here, all right? Because Dogecoin at the moment, 1 hour time frame trend is still bullish, and that is true. And overnight, we actually got a lot of bullish momentum from meme coins. So talking about the narrative, talking about fundamentals, and talking about the technicals here, Dogecoin surely can break out here, but I still think it's best to actually wait for the breakout and wait for some sort of a, well, at the moment the main resistance level seems to be 43 cents. Wait for that level to break before entering, all right? Because Dogecoin doesn't look completely amazing. I mean, if we look at the open interest here, for example, that has been dropping down quite a bit. Especially since right here, the 11th of November, that's not necessarily 100% bearish, right? I mean, you can see we actually made higher highs when the open interest started dropping down. But if we talk about every time that Dogecoin started to rally in the last month or so, it actually started with some fresh open interest coming in. And that is not the case right now. It actually seems more like spot is buying in, which I understand, because if you talk about the longer term potential of Dogecoin, this is still a fine area to get in. Especially with retail presumably coming back in. So it's not completely bearish, but I still do think we need that momentum, that fresh momentum coming in to actually get that break above 43 cents. And at the moment, still dropping down. So for me, the most important thing right here is to wait for that breakout. All right, like I said earlier, my ideal entry is still 30 cents. I think purely technically on the higher time frames, that's the ideal area to get back in. The risk reward from there is great. You have an easy invalidation. So in general, that is for now the level I'm waiting for. But alternatively, and that is certainly a possibility here, alternatively, the other level I'm looking at is this level right here around 43 cents. Because what it looks like, what looks most likely right now for Dogecoin, in my eyes, is that we actually continue up to that level. And I do think we're going to try to break above that. And if we are actually able to get that breakout above that, and we have gained some momentum, because, and I stand pretty firm on that, I do need to see that come in. If we actually get that, so we get the breakout above 43 cents, the open interest is going up, and alternatively, or additionally maybe, I'd also like to see the volume increase a little bit more. You can see volume right now is also still down 35%. If those increase, open interest, volume, it's best if they both increase and we get the breakout, then we can actually get up to 50 cents and probably higher today or tomorrow. But because of the open interest right now, the state of which is that it hasn't gone up yet, and because the volume is also down, it seems more likely to me that we will just stay in this level right here, but that will stay stable, all right, and that will just consolidate here and maybe even get some sort of a drop back down to 35 and 36 cents. So I kind of want to end this video by telling you I'm very bullish on Dogecoin for the long term, but on the short term, I don't see enough confirmations to buy Dogecoin instead of other coins, which are doing much, much better. If you talk about Jasmy, for example, or Solana did this morning as well. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now on Dogecoin. Those are that's my plan at the very least. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.